everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this cute little crochet heart bookmark. It's very simple and easy to make and fun to do. You can make plenty of them and keep it in your books. You can also gift it to your friends. And okay, so for this I am using a yarn, a hook that is 3.5 mm. You'll be needing a bead and you'll also be needing a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. For this cute little heart, I think I must use a white color that will go good with it, and it will be easy for us to do. Now what you have to do is leave a long string, and then make a magic circle like this and hold it like this. And in this magic circle you have to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Once you have made chain 3, what you have to do, you have to make triple crochets, 3 triple crochets. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the ring, draw through 2 loops, draw through another 2 loops and draw through 2 loops. In this way we are going to make 2 more triple crochets. So now we have chain 3 over here and 3 triple crochets. Now I am going to make in the same magic ring 3 double crochets. It's very simple and easy, and the beginners should also try this because it is a good beginners project also. So now I have made 3 chains, 3 triple crochets and 3 double crochets, as you all can see. Let me focus more. Oh yeah, it's now clear. Now what you have to do is you have to again make a triple crochet. So now this is the heart shape which we have done halfway, as you can see. Like, let me pull it up too. Now you can see the shape, half of our heart shape is done. So now we are going to reverse our pattern. So what you have to do now, after making triple crochet, you are going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and this is the 3rd double crochet. And now 3 triple crochets. This is my 2nd triple crochet, and now this is my 3rd triple crochet. After making 3 triple crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Now you have to pull this yarn so that the circle gets smaller. Now what you have to do is you simply have to cut the yarn and fasten off. So see, our cute little heart is ready. What I am going to do is I am going to tie a knot so that it is secure. Tie another knot. It's optional if you want to. Now what we have over here are the 2 strings. Now as long as you want, you can keep it and cut it evenly like this. Now you have to be that both the ends are same. Now over here I have attached a bead. You can also attach any color bead you like or available, whatever you have. Now needle your thread and put this bead through it. The same thing we are going to do with the other string that we have, and we are going to pass it through. After both of our strings are in the bead, You can keep it as much long as you want and tie a knot over here. Now see, our bead is secured, it's not going to come out, and our bookmark is ready. So if you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and also share my videos. Do comment and stay tuned for the next video. I'll be uploading it very soon and hope it will be a very interesting. It is a very interesting project of mine. So stay blessed. Have a great day.